One day, a cat decided to go on an adventure. He decided to go to San Francisco.
Amazing.
The cat just arrived at San Francisco. He's been playing around, walking the streets. He's been talking and telling people how his day's been. But his day hasn't come to an end yet. He's got to go to Colorado. He told all of his new friends bye, and then he left. He arrived in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado. He said it was great. He loved it. And he was hanging out with a caveman. Nobody believed him about the caveman part, but he said it was true, so I guess it is true, and he decided to go to China for his favorite cat treats.
Then he came to China. It was great there. He searched through the stores and finally found his cat treats. He met a lot of people and then went at a Chinese restaurant to eat. And then he was leaving.
He finally got back from China and he decided to go look around in the great blue sea. He saw a baby dolphin swimming around. He decided that was enough fun for one day. He went home and he told all of his family how much fun he had. He told them it was great, but he finally decided to take a nap because it was a long day.